Did you know that some print-on-demand sellers make over $5,000 during the Christmas season just by focusing on 5 simple niches? And here's the crazy part. They're not creating anything complicated or expensive. They're using Gelato, which makes the entire process simple, automated, and super beginner-friendly. Their products sell because they're tapping into what people are already desperate to buy during the holidays. Now, let's be honest, if you've ever tried figuring out which Christmas products to make, you've probably felt overwhelmed. The holiday market feels crowded, and it's hard to know which designs will actually sell and which ones will just sit there with 0 orders. I remember staring at endless ideas and not knowing where to start. But here's the shift that changed everything for me. I discovered that Gelato makes it super easy to create products in 5 very specific Christmas niches. These niches consistently perform well year after year. So in today's tutorial, I'm not only going to share those 5 niches with you, but I'll also walk you step by step through how to create them inside Gelato, how to price them, and even how to maximize your profits with bundles and smart marketing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what products to make this season. And honestly, you're going to be obsessed with how simple this really is. So let's jump right into niche number 1. All right, the first niche is one of my personal favorites, holiday wall art. Wall art is amazing for Christmas because people start decorating their homes as early as October, and they're looking for fresh, affordable pieces that feel festive. And the best part, these designs are incredibly simple to make. Most of them are just text and minimal graphics. For example, last year I uploaded one typography print that said it's the most wonderful time of the year with a few snowflakes. Here's exactly how you can create your own holiday wall art with Gelato. Log into Gelato and create your free account if you don't have one already. You can use the link in my description. Navigate to the product catalog. Look for the category called wall art. Choose your format. Posters are great if you want to keep it affordable, but canvas prints instantly look premium and allow you to charge higher prices. Once you have made your selection, you can click on Add to Stores. If you have not connected your store, it is very easy to do so with a simple click. You can do this from the Stores section and log into whichever platform you use, whether it be Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon. Now that we have our product ready, you can create your design from Gelato or upload your designs directly from the File section. I'm going to upload my design and adjust it so that it's perfect, and now we have our products ready. In the product section, you can choose from a variety of products to offer in your store, as long as you check that the measurements of your design are correct. Then we have to make our mock-ups. And to do this, Gelato already has a very good tool for creating them with AI. So you just click on the magic mock-up section, add your prompt, and it generates it easily. Then we click on Continue to Details. And here we have to add the details of our product, such as the title and description, which we will also generate with AI. We can then click on Continue. And finally, all that remains is to check our prices, and that's it. It's that easy to create our first product. Some design categories that always sell are Christmas typography prints, like All Hearts Come Home for Christmas, then also minimalist holiday designs with snowflakes or simple trees, and finally, family-focused prints that celebrate togetherness. My recommendation is that instead of creating just one design, make coordinating sets of 2 or 3. People love decorating with matching prints, and you can even offer bundle discounts. Holiday wall art usually starts selling in October, right when people begin decorating their homes. So if you launch now, you'll be right on time. Moving on to niche number 2, custom Christmas mugs. Mugs are a total holiday classic, and here's why. They're affordable, practical, and they make perfect gifts. And during the Christmas season, people don't just buy one, they buy multiples for family members, co-workers, or Secret Santa exchanges. Here's how you can make your own Christmas mugs on Gelato. Navigate to the product catalog. Look for the category called Mugs and Bottle, choosing your favorite option. Once you have made your selection, you can click on Add to Stores. Now that we have our product ready, you can create your design from Gelato or upload your designs directly from the Files section, like the last example. I'm going to upload my design and adjust it so that it's perfect, and now we have our products ready. Then we have to make our mockups, and to do this, we are also creating them with AI. So you just click on the magic mockup section, add your prompt, and it generates it easily. Then we click on Continue to Details, and here we have to add the details of our product, such as the title and description, which we will also generate with AI. We can then click on Continue, and finally, all that remains is to check our prices, and that's it. We also have our next product. A tip for this option is to create bundles like family packs of 4 to 6 mugs. People buy them as matching sets for holiday gatherings. Niche number 3, Christmas t-shirts. T-shirts are one of the easiest and most versatile holiday products you can sell. They're light, casual, and perfect for a variety of holiday occasions. Think about it. Not everyone wants a heavy sweatshirt for indoor gatherings or office parties. T-shirts work well for Secret Santa gifts, Christmas parties, casual family dinners, or even friends who want matching outfits without feeling too cozy. They're affordable, easy to ship, and people often buy more than one. Maybe one for themselves, one for a friend, or even 2 as gifts. Here's how to create your own Christmas t-shirts on Gelato. Open Gelato and go to the product catalog. Look for the t-shirts category. This is where all your options for different shirt styles, colors, and fits are. Choose your favorite option for this. Take some time to pick the perfect style. You might go for a classic crew neck, a slim fit, or a unisex style that will appeal to the widest audience. This choice will influence how your design looks on the shirt, so choose carefully. Once you've decided on a style, click Add to Stores. This action will make your product available in your store, so you can start adding your custom design. You can either design directly in Gelato or upload your own file. I'm going to upload my design and adjust it to make sure it fits perfectly on the shirt. Play around with sizing and placement until it looks exactly how you want it. Now, let's make the product look professional. Click on the Magic Mockup section and enter a prompt describing your design. AI will generate realistic mockups that you can use to showcase your shirt. For t-shirts, I like showing friends or small groups wearing them because people often buy them individually or in pairs, not as full family sets. Click Continue to Details. Here, you'll add a title and description for your product. You can also generate these with AI to make the process faster. Make sure your description highlights the festive theme, the material, and why it makes a perfect gift. Finally, check your pricing, make sure all details are correct, and your Christmas t-shirt is ready to sell. Consider offering designs that can be customized with names or funny messages. Personalized t-shirts are incredibly popular during the holidays and can increase your sales. And for our niche number 4, Christmas sweatshirts. Sweatshirts are a completely different product from t-shirts, and they shine for entirely different reasons. While t-shirts are light and casual, sweatshirts are warm, cozy, and perfect for the colder months. Families love them because they work beautifully for matching outfits on Christmas morning, outdoor holiday events, or even just for festive photos to send with Christmas cards. Here's how to create your own Christmas sweatshirts on Gelato. Open Gelato and go to the product catalog. Look for the sweatshirts and hoodies category. This is where you'll find different styles, colors, and fits that are perfect for winter. Take your time to pick the sweatshirt that works best for your design. Consider whether a classic fit, oversized hoodie, or unisex style will appeal most to your target audience. This choice is especially important because sweatshirts are often purchased as matching sets for families. Once you've picked your style, click Add to Stores. Now your product is ready to receive your design. You can design directly in Gelato or upload your own artwork. I'm going to upload mine and make sure it fits perfectly on the sweatshirt. With sweatshirts, placement is key, center designs tend to work best, and don't forget to check how it looks on different sizes. Click on the Magic Mockup section and type in a prompt to create realistic product images. For sweatshirts, I recommend showing entire families wearing them together. This is a huge selling point because buyers want to picture their own family in the matching outfits. It's a simple visual cue that increases the likelihood of them purchasing bundles rather than single pieces. Click Continue to Details. Add a descriptive title and description. Highlight the cozy material, the holiday theme, and how perfect it is for family gatherings. You can also generate this text with AI to save time while keeping it catchy and persuasive. Review all the details, set your pricing, and your Christmas sweatshirt is ready to sell. Offer family bundles of 2, 3, or even 4 sweatshirts. People love matching outfits, and this strategy can significantly increase your average order value. Finally, niche number 5, Christmas gift tote bags. These are perfect for stocking stuffers, Secret Santa, and affordable gifts under $20. Here's how to create these. Navigate to the product catalog. Look for the category called tote bags, choosing your favorite option. Once you have made your selection, you can click on Add to Stores. Now that we have our product ready, you can create your design from Gelato or upload your designs directly from the file section, like the last example. I'm going to upload my design and adjust it so that it's perfect, and now we have our products ready. Then we have to make our mockups, and to do this, we are also creating them with AI. So you just click on the magic mockup section, add your prompt, and it generates it easily. Then we click on Continue to Details, and here we have to add the details of our product, such as the title and description, which we will also generate with AI. We can then click on Continue, and finally, all that remains is to check our prices, and that's it. These products highlight that these are ready to give items for holiday gift exchanges. So here's your action plan. Go to Gelato and create your free account using the link in my description. Pick one niche from today's tutorial that excites you the most. Create and publish your first product today. Don't wait until November because Christmas shoppers are already preparing. And here's the best part. You don't need to worry about shipping, packaging, or inventory. Gelato takes care of all of that for you. You just design, publish, and collect the profits. So go ahead and take that first step. Launch your product, test the waters, and let this Christmas be the season that changes your print-on-demand journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which of the 5 niches you're most excited to try first. Remember, your Christmas products don't just bring joy to buyers, they can also bring financial freedom to you. And with Gelato handling the hard part, all you need to do is start. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.